Hi everyone, so today we're going to do a classic hairstyle. We're going to do a curly sort of chignon style, perfect for flower girls, bridesmaids, any kind of formal event. It's really easy. Let's get started. So you're going to start off by just roughly parting the hair. Don't worry too much about it. So that side, same on the other. Next bit, we're just going to grab the rest of this hair all on the crown. And using a brush or your fingers, you're just going to smooth this up, and we're going to have this sitting fairly high, about here. Just using a little bit of wax spray on Daria's hair just to help with any kind of flyaways. So once the hair is in a ponytail, what you're going to do is you're going to curl this ponytail nice and quick. It hasn't got to be perfect. I'm going to use a wand today. And then we're just going to take these side bits and just kind of sweep them into the hair. You can, if you want to, just put a little bit of back comb on the underside of this piece of hair just to give it a little bit more volume, but you don't have to do that. And then just use a couple of pins to just secure that into place. So same again on this side. I'm just going to put a little bit of back comb on this area here. And again, just kind of pin that in. Don't worry about your grips being hidden because we're going to be lifting up this ponytail now. So now I've just taken a little elastic. You could use a small bobble here. And I'm just going to put 2 grips on either side of that, like so. So you'll take hold of this ponytail and just lift it up like so. Take hold of one grip. And you're going to push it through, hold it with your thumb, grab that elastic, and then the other one goes in the other way. Yeah. Now this is optional, you don't have to use this. This is just a cut up bun maker. If you've got really thick hair, you won't need to use this, but I'm just going to use this almost just like as a bit of hair padding. So just folding it up like that. And I'm just going to place it across there. And then you're just going to grab this hair back over it like so. I'm just going to put a little bit of spray in just to help with grip. A little bit of back comb to help with structure. So I'm just going to grab hold of one piece of hair and just start pinning, and just keep taking sections of hair and start pinning them into place like so. So just taking those sections and using that padding underneath to sort of like as a cushion almost, just making sure that you're covering all that up. And then just finish it up with a little bit of hairspray. I'm going to do a full spin for you now so you can see it from all angles. So this is our 360. I think it looks super pretty. Really easy to do. Great for any kind of formal occasion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.